Okay. You go?
Yeah.
Okay. You should.
Yeah.
You should. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do it. Going back to
Do you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
do you know what the most annoying sound in the world is?
Come on, you got another one. We still got a couple more minutes. It just falls off. Get up here, kid. Fuck. Another one. We still got like a minute left.
Okay. So I have to make the most annoying sound in the world?
Do you want to hear another one? Montana, you gotta say, do you want to hear another one?
We're gonna make another one.
Montana, we're gonna make another one.
I'll do it.
Ask him.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Do you want to know what the most annoying brown sound of the world is?
Sing like a little song doing one of those.
You do a beatboxing, I'll do the Dude, I'll do it. You guys want to know what the most annoying sound is, really?
Look at that ash. Something's gonna come out of there. It's gonna be a fart.